Assalamualaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones US 30 chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 28,770. US just released ADP numbers. Let's have a look at to the numbers, then we will see Dow Jones resistance and support. Advanced non-farm payroll number expectations was 1.2 million, but number came around 400,000 almost. Expectations was nearly 1 million. However, it has grown rapidly from previous numbers. Previous numbers was only 200,000. Let's have a look at resistance and support now, then we will assess how we can trade in Dow Jones today. Dow Jones support at 28,600. Dow Jones resistance would be 28,920. If you are a risky trader, then you can initiate a buy around 750, 740 with stop loss of 28,600 for target of 28,900 and 29,100. If you don't want to take risk, then you should wait Dow Jones US 30 to break around 28,600. Once Dow Jones break 28,600, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 28,820 for target of 28,400. If you are facing difficulty understanding my accent, you can enable the subtitle. I have turned on the option to watch the subtitle. You can just click on the button of CC, double C it would be written. Then you can understand my accent if you are facing any difficulty. Now let's move on to S&P. This is S&P 500 chart, currently trading 3550. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in S&P today. S&P 500 support at 3532. S&P 500 is resistant 3562. If you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a buy around 35.45 with stop loss of 35.32 for target of 35.70 and 35.90. If you are a safe trader and you don't want to take small risk, then you should wait S&P to break 35.32. After that, you can initiate a sell with stop loss of 35.62 for target of 35.01 and 34.70. Currently both of indices are in positive zone, so avoid selling it. If you wish to sell, then you should wait both indices to break the supports. Dow Jones support as mentioned 28,600, S&P support at 35.32. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trading 12,450 almost. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Support at 12,330, resistance at 12,540. Currently Nasdaq is in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. However, risky trader can initiate a buy around 440, 430 with stop loss of 12,330 for target of 12,530 and 630. Only risky trader should attempt to buy. Safe trader should wait in all US indices to break the support. Once market breaks the support, you can initiate sell in any of the indices with stop loss of resistance. Now let's move on to gold price. This is gold price, currently trading at $1960. I have given a sell signal in gold yesterday around 1973.50. Our target was 1962. If you wish to receive my gold signal, you can WhatsApp me. I have given my number in description. Make sure you only WhatsApp me because I will not able to pick up your calls on this number. This number is exclusively for WhatsApp. Number is in description. Currently gold is in trading at 1960. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold resistance stands at $1980. gold support would be $1948. Currently gold is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you wish to buy, then you should wait gold prices to break 1980. Once gold price break 1980 and sustain above that level, it need to sustain minimum 30 to 60 minutes. After that you can initiate a buy with stop loss of our support. 1940 is our support, and target may be around $2000 or $2020. One caution note: we have factory order from US in around 50 minutes from now, so make sure you watch data before initiating any buy or any sell. Now let's move on to crude oil price. After that we will see euro and Bitcoin. This is crude oil price, currently trading 42.80 around. Let's have a look at resistance and support. This is WTI crude oil. It's also known as US crude oil. Crude oil resistance at 43.20. In my morning video, which I update on my Hindi channel, I have advised crude oil to sell. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it on my Hindi channel. I have given link in description. Crude oil support would be 42.20. Currently crude oil is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If any trader want to buy, then they should wait crude oil to break 43.20. Once crude oil break 43.20, they can initiate a buy with stop loss of 42.20. Risky trader also can initiate a sell here with stop loss of 43.20. 43.20 or 43.30 could be the stop loss for crude sell. Now let's move on to euro. After that we will see Bitcoin. This is euro chart, currently trading 1840. In my morning video, which I usually update in Asian session, it was trading around 1900. It has crashed around 60 pips from there. Now let's move on to new resistance and support. Euro support stands at 1790. Euro resistance at 1915. Currently euro trading is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you want to buy, then you should wait euro to break 1915. After that you can initiate a buy. However, risky trader can initiate a sell with stop loss of 1915. First target would be 1790, which is the support. Below 1790 euro can crash up to 1750 or even 1700. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. It had made low around 11,200. Currently trading 11,500. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in Bitcoin today. Bitcoin support at $11,180. Bitcoin resistance at $11,750. Risky trader can initiate a sell on any rise around 480 or 500 with stop loss of 11,750 for target of 11,100 or 10,700. Safe trader should wait Bitcoin to break 11,750. After that they can initiate a buy with stop loss of 11,400 for target of 12,000 and 12,300. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want regular update, consider subscribing by pressing the red subscribe button. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.